All right, we just stopped the video. Previous video was about installing fish, ArcoLinux tweak tool, click on a button, click on another button, and that's what you have. You have fish with our configuration of ArcoLinux. There are some scripts you could or could not run. I've already installed Sublime Text, so I can open up Sublime Text. If I even know there it is, where it is, I often don't go in menus. Super Shift D and the D menu opens up. Here, this is pure Arch. We're on ISO, so yes, it's pure Arch. What this shouldn't be opened. Let's do this and then do that and learn you a trick. Sublime Text, wonderful tool. Rubble, drag it in and we read and we see, okay, it's going to remove if something exists. If the directory exists, then remove it. If that one exists, that's all about fish. We want to start with a clean slate. So if you install, we remove first old stuff, and so we can clean. You'll start with a clean slate, basically. All right. That said, we can make this actually a little bit like that, and then a bit like that. This is how I do my workflow, right? You see, I'm in a tiling window manager kind of guy. Right, then we run that thing. One, install all my fish. What's that? Just Google it. You'll see it's all about theming. So that's installed. Two, we install a few themes choices. Just to give you an example, you choose your own themes. The same goes for the plugins. We took a look at some plugins and I've changed them every week, like it's choice again, and things will change. Plugins will fail, will stop, will cease to exist. It's the way of life. Number 3, we've done, Eric. Number 4 is something that people like. That's the Tide plugin. Let's install that. All right, now he's finished. We need to make this bigger so we can see. Control Shift plus, right? Reload, Tide configure. Reload, Tide configure. And now you maybe go, say, yeah, I've seen it on screenshots. I want to have that too. 3 choices, one, I don't know, slanted, whatever. 3 sharp, 1 slanted again, 4 2 lines, sure, disconnected with a line, 3 left, right, 4. Choose, right? You choose. I'm gonna take the icon. Yes, voila, and we've got ourselves something to greet us. Let's do the normal size. Close window, Ctrl-T. Right, this is the normal look. As you see, the design is a little bit off, but that's something to do with, I think, the terminal or maybe fonts that missing, because it will look nice if you start installing more stuff. So voila, that's your fish. We're not going to go in detail about all these fish. It's here, right? Go and have a look what I say more about fish, and surely the plugin there, the Tide plugin, is going to be discussed there. So that's to be discovered yet. All right. So these are all possibilities, choices. The point is, it's working on ArcoLinux tweak tool. It's available by clicking a few buttons. But if you say not my thing, well, you can leave everything as is and visit it a month later, a week later. You'll be fine. It's just a file, it's just a folder, just an application. It's there if you want to try it again. Apply bash, shell change to bash. It's also shown in the terminal that you've changed. And you log out. And you will let the thing apply itself again. And we have lots of things coming open. Screaming lady as well. Neofetch, I want to type neofetch. What am I using? I'm using bash. We're back on bash, nothing happened, everything is cool. But these things will not work, right? Minus Q, tab, not working. QI, not working. It has its advantages, and again, you choose, right? It's all about making choices. Cheers.